Hi everyone, hope you're having a wonderful week. Master Tokar here. We're going to be doing the greenbelt form, and we're going to do it from behind view. And so we're at this wonderful national park. Can you guess? The Grand Canyon. So we'll start from behind, and you get to follow me. Sorry, there's a rock. Trap. Kanye. ATA. And Jumbi, we step out with the right foot for greenbelt. Then we're going to start on our side. Then Mrs. Tokar is going to run behind me, and we're going to turn to the right and twin outer form block. And then make sure you can get my whole...
Yes, sir.
All right. Number 2, front kick. Reverse ridge hand strike. Adjust to a back stance. Number 1, round kick. And you can make sure we're starting to have it on a 45-degree angle. We're in a back stance. And double knife hand block. Then we sandwich the arms. Now Mrs. Tokar is going to maybe loop around. I'm going to be turning to the front, so she's going to have to get all the way over here. Alright, so you sandwich all the way over to here. Alright, so you sandwich, you turn, outer forearm block. So I should make it strong from here. Boom. Then to your collarbone and twist your hips, low block. Then we call this the Hulk smash. It's just a punch, but you step to a middle stance with your right leg and Hulk smash. Stack the arms, inner forearm block. Number 3, side kick with a yell, a yup, and middle stance. And she's going to be careful, but come over here near the edge and twin low and twin inner forearm block. Then the left foot steps to a sparring stance. You can stay where you were actually. But thank you. Double outer forearm block. Now it's a number 1 front kick, which is the front leg. You can use reaction force with the same hand. The other hand stays up as you do that move. Then reverse punch. I like to imagine that they pulled my arm and it made me step forward. Then I look over my back shoulder, reverse side kick. And then we're halfway once we do our double outer forearm block. From there, we're going to keep going the same direction, but we adjust our back foot and our front and our back foot at the same time to a front stance, and we do a twin outer forearm block. From there, back leg, number 2 front kick, left reverse ridge hand strike, back stance, number 1 round kick, chamber, and double knife hand block. And you want to get it tight and use your shoulders. From there, we're going to be going this direction, and it's all knife hands, so Ms. Tokar is going to be careful near the edge there. We're going to chamber, step to a left front stance with a knife hand high block, then knife hand low block, and spear hand yell. And that's reverse spear hand because it's the back hand. Adjust to a middle stance with the left foot sliding over, double knife hand block. Then from there, we do our number 3 side kick, land in a middle stance, twin low, and twin inner forearm block. We're going to be turning to the right, so I'll have Mrs. Tokar come over here. And so we turn to the right, double outer forearm block, number 1 front kick, so that's always the front leg, reverse punch, which is always the back arm, the one that's furthest away is reverse punch. They pull your arm, you step, look over your right shoulder, reverse side kick, and sparring stance, double outer forearm block. From there, the right foot steps to barreau, and then the right foot steps in for show. And that is the greenbelt form. Now I'm just going to show you the whole form. She'll just stay in front, I guess, this time. So you can be over there, and then this will be the whole form without me talking. ATA. Yup. I don't want to be swinging on that. Ooh. We're halfway. So anyone that's in Tiger 1 or BBC, that's all you need to know up to, but we're going to keep going. For next testing, you'll be doing this. throw, and show. So, hope that helps. You guys keep practicing and be positive. Enjoy life.